したことちょっとしたことで未来を進化してく学びたいの教えて旅次元は一つなわけないじゃん。
Good morning guys, this is our fourth day here in Tokyo. The weather is not that good today. It's gonna rain all day long. For now, we're going to Odaiba, na mall, and it's a diversity mall. Going there na lang kasi we can't afford to just roam around Tokyo with the weather like this. Ang sarap ng araw namin ngayon kahit na it's raining kasi wala masyadong tao. Pero syempre kasi it's already 2 o'clock. Late kaming nagising. Hindi, actually late kaming gumising kasi it was raining heavy kanina. Dito kami ngayon sa Rinkai Line going to Odaiba. We're here already at Diversity Tokyo from Tokyo Teleport. It's nearer than before kasi before parang naglakad kami few meters pa, like 500 meters from the station to here, but right now it's just parang 100 meters away. The rain isn't a problem kasi merong shade. Diversity Tokyo. We're here again. Odaiba. Saan na tayo? Let's go find somewhere to eat muna. Look at the Mr. Donut here. Parang Starbucks na. We're gonna eat sa food court. This is the donkey. And pwede nang mamili dyan mamaya for pasalubong. Dito rin nga pala guys yung place ng yung merong Gundam unicorn. Yan yung mga food choices doon sa food court. Yan. Oh, look to you.
Who's gonna eat that?
We're eating here, Torikai Express. So, how's it?
Very hot.
Very hot. Is it good? Hindi pa malasahan kasi mainit pa.
It's good, but it's not thick. It's not rich.
Yun siya umorder there. And Tio's having like mine from Torikai. And Tori's eating the amari. So, from Iranian food.
Indian.
Indian. Is it good, ate? Yes, daw, it's good. Ate's gonna buy that from Hello Kitty Japan. How about you? What's that? Ayan yung, oo nga.
Kaya lang 150 per soup, okay lang for experience.
Soup yan?
Yeah, kaya tsaka baka hindi mo gustuhan parang seaweed flavor. Seaweed flavor. Seaweed flavor.
Di try. Look at this ate, oh. It looks yummy, yeah. This one, caramel ba to? Ay, parang gusto ko nito. Yan, this is our first time dito sa second floor. Diversity. Diyan ba, gusto mo i-try? Tingnan mo na lang, para to compare. To compare the prices sa Gotemba. Kung talagang mura ba sa Gotemba. Ano na? Ganda. Mas no, mas mura pa rin sa Gotemba, no? Yung outlet, no? Diyan parang 16,000 yung Yung,
Handbag.
oo, yung handbag doon. Parang mga nasa 9-10,000 lang, no? Mura pa rin sa outlet. Coca. Still on the second floor. Ano ba tong Coca na to? Is it? Oh, my favorite shirt. No. My favorite shirt. Look at me. Now at the third floor. Wala pa akong nakikitang
May tayo pa ice cream tour yun. Dali ka usap.
sabi ko, wala pa ako
Oh,
nakikita.
Minecraft!
Nasaan?
Everything Minecraft.
Parang di natin, oo nga pala, third floor nga pala. Gasha, Coco. Para wala pa ako nakikitang na-excite ako. Nothing that excites me. But this girl, my missus, she excites me all the time.
Sana all.
What?
Kawa.
Who's that?
Kawa. I just said he's not.
I don't know him. Cute na mga ganitong mga toys. Maliliit lang. Parang mga keychains. Gacha ang tawag. Gacha. Ito ano. May mga noodles pa. Ay, ito. Ito parang gusto ko nito. Kasi I like this one eh. Mga ganyang ramen. Wala bang Ichiran dito? Yan, may Toys R Us din.
I think
Come
you're
on.
gonna like this.
Which one? LeBron James. Ah! Parang gacha din siya, no?
I want that.
Yan, go get it. Just like his.
It's
Ang laki.
huge.
Parang pillow lang yun yata eh. Tingnan ko ba kung may mga figures. Mga Marvel figures. Natin kung mas mura to dito. 760. Ah, mas mura sa ano. 769. Mga Ultraman. Sa Don Quixote. Mas mura siya. Ito lang yung Marvel nila eh. Oh. Wala na. Medyo na. Hindi na mahilig sa laruan. Tio, your checkout oh. Your favorite magazine. It's not that one pala. This one pala. Yan, Gundam. Oo nga, yun oh. Ito maganda to oh. Ito yung mga suot ng Japanese ngayon eh. Mga ganyan oh. Pero meron na siya, kaya lang black one. Pero hindi siya DMs. Saka wala ng DM sa Philippines, di ba? Torio. Ito yung mga Jurais. GU. Ito para siyang H&M. Marami din siyang. Let's check out. Why? Yun yung kinuha mo, ate? Sa Gacha? O, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, oh, usong-uso yung ganito sa Japan ngayon, oh, kasi summer. Ito gusto ni Tio. It's only 1,990. Parang pag kinonvert, parang mga nasa 700 plus. Look at this. Yan oh, here in Japan, pagka mag-fit ka ng mga clothes, dapat you need to take off your shoes. Nakalagay dyan. Yan, after paying the cashier, ikaw na bahala mag-pack. It's either you're gonna get mga bags or you have your own bag. Yeah, you have to pay for that.
Hirap ng buhay sa abroad.
Tapos yung basket, you have to return it there, and the hangers. So, yan sila lahat. Meron ding self-checkout there. Oh. Ikaw yung magta-tap, ikaw yung mag-i-scan and you have to pay it there.
Kasi OC sila.
Ayan, no? Nilagay niya dyan, no? Mga OC, di ba? Come on.
I love it.
Para mga OC, no?
Bagay tayo.
Ayan, may bag kami. Ako na magdadala niyan.
Ganyan din yung mga hanger namin sa bahay. Ako na hanggang.
So, nandito na kami sa 5th floor. Grand Stage. Yun yung ABC Mart. Yun yung mga mura, yung mga shoes. Gacha, Universe. What did you get? Why? You got that? Exchange? No? Ah,
Downstairs. I'll be
downstairs nga.
here in ABC.
Sige. ABC? Hanap ka.
I think you and Mom will agree.
Which one? Aww. Tooth. Ban, ang ganda. Ban.
So you can take them off.
Wisdom. Wisdom tooth. Look. I want that. Is that a keychain?
Yeah.
I want that. How much for it?
100.
How much for that? Like 280.
Gadget.
Wala akong coins.
38 times 4 times 4. 160 na.
Ah, 160. Yan, merong money changer. Pag wala kang coins for the gacha, you can change it here. So, how do you do this? This one? Ate? Yun! I got 10 100 coins. 100 yen. Shall I count it? 2, 4. Walang tiwala eh. No? 1, 2, 4, 6. Tama. Come on, let's get. I'll get this. This one. Where is it? The one that Tio recommended. This one. So how do you do this? This is my first time. So I need 4. Huh? It's 4.
4. Yeah.
I need 400 yen.
Yeah, 400.
What shall I do? Insert everything. 1,
Yeah, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then twist it.
No, that's the return button.
Twist it.
The wrong way.
Wrong way. Wow! Ay! Oh, it's different. I want this one pala. Kaya lang.
You can get it again.
But it's just gonna cost me 400 yen again. You know, maybe
Are you gonna
I'll
spend
set-
your money on?
I'll settle with this one. With like this one. I got this one. Ito sana gusto ko, implant and the wisdom tooth. So I got this. This one. A molar. Tokyo Grease Odaiba. Mommy's there. ABC Mart. Ate, we'll look for you there. Oh, Fast and the Furious. 20,000. 20,680. Hot Wheels. Oh, look at the cars. Ito yung famous Japanese yung Toyota Initial D. Kano? 36,300 oh.
So nice, no?
Yeah.
Every boy's dream.
But,
Rainier would die if he was there. He would
oh
die.
yeah, he likes it, right?
Yeah, he loves it. He has a lot of
The-
villages. He has a lot of things that are not for sale anymore. He has a lot of like that. Him and his brother have a wall full of Hot Wheels.
Rainier is Tio's best friend.
Yeah.
Oh, there's mommy.
Rainier, he would definitely buy everything and stuff, even if it made him go in debt.
Maybe
Definitely buy
you
that.
should have taken a picture. You should
No,
para for. Sige, I'll just be here ah. Ayan, nandito tayo sa New Balance. Ito yung mga prices nila oh. 10 for 17,550. Ito maganda rin oh. Maganda ba to? 11,000. Oh, ito 10,900. Ito, 18,996. This one, mga 13,000 na to. This one is 574. Oh, just like mine. Parang mas mura dun sa may Shibuya. Pero I'm not sure. Ito, 12,000. Anong model to? 610. Ito guys, yung sikat to. 1906R. Yung ginamit dun sa Queen of Tears ba yun? Basta nung isang Korean sa Korean novela. 1906, 18,000. Mga nasa ano to? Mga nasa 6,000 plus to in Philippine peso. Ito 408, mas mga mura. Ito ang ganda oh. Ano to? 20,000, nasa lang model? 9060. Ang ganda nito. And this one 990. 33,000 oh. Kaya ito parang ito maganda ba to? Ito yung parang binili ko dun sa sister ko eh. Oo, nasa 9,900 yan. Ganito yung binili ko dun sa may Takishete. Ano ba yan? Kalimutan. Ito yung sa akin, oh. 574. Just like mine. There, oh. 10,900. Pareho lang. Ganito rin yung bili ko nun dun sa ano, dun sa Shibuya. Gusto ko yung parang sa Korean. Para maging ano ko, opa. Bagay ba? Kuha na bang Korean?
Halata.
Ha?
Halatang maluwag.
Sa fila wala.
Wala.
Pero kasi halatang maluwag. Pag inatras mong konti. No? Tama naman ah. Thank you, Ban. Thank you for this one. No, it's not. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve this.
What did you give him?
The Starbucks.
Tumbler.
And Ate gave me the perfume.
I gave you shit.
Oh, mwah, mwah. Thank you. Now, it's time for the 6th floor. Talagang inikot namin to. Parang mga arcade yata yung sa taas. Electronic what? Oh, Lolo used to have that. The Volkswagen car. We used to have a car like that. Back in the day, yeah. I told you it's an arcade. Arcade, the Japanese arcade.
This is an arcade. It's all claw machines.
What?
It's all claw machines. This is just. Claw machines.
Who's that? Your new favorite? Baka dito yung mga ano yan, mga honest yung mga claw machine. Walang cheat. Also on the 6th floor, Baskin Robbins. Ito yung first ice cream na kinain namin before sa Japan. Sa Osaka. Remember that? This licking big brown ice cream. BBIC. Big brown ice cream. What's the latest from BBC News? Kawaii. Kawaii desu. This is kawaii.
The first thing I bought, sandals.
What's the first thing you bought in Japan?
That right away, snacks, diba? All the Japanese snacks. I think I bought ice cream.
Ako ba? Ikaw ate.
The blouse.
Ah yeah, the Jurai in Harajuku. We can
Ako.
go back on Thursday.
Ako, Wala ba magtatanong sa akin?
But in Japan,
Shoes again. Shoes pa din.
ba't parang malungkot?
Hindi, I'm happy. Pero malungkot kasi I have to work hard pa para to pay for it. Thank you, Lord, for this trip. Amen. On the 7th floor with Tio. Ayan. Gundam. Ito rin pala yung Tio. Gundam base. Like that. Oh. Wanna check out? Come on. This one is the entrance. Look at that. All the Gundam fans out there. Look at these. Ganda. Oh. Actually, I'm not a Gundam fan. Parang nagustuhan ko lang to yung we started going here sa Japan kasi ito yung laging makikita mo. And si Tio nagko-collect nito. This is the zone guide of the Gundam base Tokyo. Yan, may mga builder zone pa. May-build ka. So, we're there. Laki, oh. You have that?
Yeah.
Huh? That big?
Yeah.
But I don't... Did you build it na? Not yet? That big you have? You're a lucky boy. Ang dami, oh. Ang dami palang mga Gundam, oh. Ito mga new items, oh, Tio. Dami. Pag magko-collect ka nito, mamumulubi ka kung gusto mo i-collect lahat. Oh, there, oh. And mind you guys, mas mura talaga dito sa Tokyo yung mga Gundam figures. Ang cute. Di ba mayroon ka ganyan?
Yeah.
Is it really like that?
Yeah.
Small one. Parang ito yung biggest Gundam base na napuntahan namin. Compared yung the first one sa Yokohama and the other one here din, pero dun sa ground floor. What's inside?
See?
This one is 22,000. This one is expensive, pero mga 8,000.
This place is so big, I can't find what I was gonna buy. Ayan.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be a good buy. It's cheap. You gonna get it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Why?
No, are you sure you have money?
Why, how
I'm
much
not no, I'm not gonna pay for it.
Yeah.
You have money?
Yeah.
How much?
10,000.
No, how much? You have 10,000 pa?
Yeah.
How much for that?
But that's not all my money.
Pero you have there
I still
cash on hand.
What?
You have 10,000.
Yeah.
You have cash on hand,
Yeah.
10,000.
Yeah.
Baka sabay na yung dati ko.
Kababayan.
Kababayan! Kabayan! Hep hep!
Kababayan.
Hep hep! Tio's gonna pay na. Kanina hindi ko alam, bawal palang buksan yung package before purchasing. Yung doon bumili ako sa big camera. Yung fan na portable. Siyempre, tatry mo, di ba? Eh, wala naman nag-a-assist. So, I tried it. I opened it. And then, when I was paying it, yun, medyo parang sabi, don't, I shouldn't open, yeah. So, kaya guys, pag nandito kayo, bibili kayo, make sure you observe their culture and their rules. So yun. Tapos may mga madalas marami sa mga stores bawal mag-camera, mag-take ng videos. And dun sa Gundam bawal din pala pero ay nagkuha din ako pero I didn't know. Sorry Japan. Okay, come on, let's go. It's time to go. Goodbye Diver City. Bye. Odaiba. Bye-bye. We're going home.
花火界の教えてたみ次元は一つ